Hey everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Today we are going to be drawing NFL superstar wide receiver DeKalen Metcalf of the Seattle Seahawks, better known as DK Metcalf. DK Metcalf played at Mississippi University, known as Ole Miss. He's the son of former guard Terrence Metcalf in the NFL. He was the second-round pick to the Seahawks and is standing at 6'4", 230 pounds, can run a 40-yard dash in 4.3 seconds. This guy is an animal. He's a beast. He's one of the best receivers in the NFL, and I would not like to guard this guy. He's huge and fast. So here we go. Grab a black or dark marker. We're going to start out with a pointed end here. Find the center of your paper, and we're going to draw the jaw and head in this area. We'll start over here. We'll go down to a point, up and over. So kind of almost looks like the bottom of a home plate. So down and up. We'll draw a couple ears. 1, 2, head. The side of the head comes up here. It's going to have a shaved sides, and so we'll do the hair that starts up, some bumps, comes to a point, and comes down here. These are just hair bumps. There you go. Let's draw some circle eyes. We're going to draw some cartoon kind of Funko Pop style eyes. Some big circles. We like to draw for kids, so we make this a little easier. Inside these eyes, we'll draw some big circles. We're going to leave those white. Those are the highlights. Let's draw a couple of other smaller circles. 2 more highlights. Now draw an arch over. Now we're going to color this area in, leaving these circles colored white. We'll do one right now just to show you what the eye should look like. Color that in dark, and I'm gonna get like a light baby blue marker. That's a little bright. Let's get a different one. Let's do I'm not finding the right one. Let's try this one. Okay, kind of a light baby blue marker, and we're gonna color this area in blue. This basically represents the reflections off the stadium lights on his eye. Just gives it a little more interest, makes it more interesting to look at. And that's that. And we'll color in that eye in a minute. So, get your dark marker again. We're gonna do the eyebrows. Small, small. He has kind of a shaved eyebrow look, so color that in dark, space, and the rest of the eyebrow. See how I left that white gap there? DK Metcalf looks like he shaves a line into his eyebrows, or maybe that's natural. I'm not really sure, but when I looked at the photo online, he has these kind of gaps in his eyebrows, so we're going to put those in there, make it look kind of cool. His nose, come down from this eye, goes down to a point, and we're going to do his beard, comes down to the chin, and then it actually cuts straight across over here and up to the ear. Okay, and right over here we'll do his mustache. And he has a little lip beard right there. I'm not going to do any lips or any teeth on DK. We're just going to kind of do him more Funko Pop style. And then over here on his eye, he likes to do this paint mark where he does a straight line. It's kind of the black ink, you know, that the sun ink that they rub under their eyes. Well, DK does one straight up and down. So we'll do that here. It goes up and above. Kind of cool. All right. His hairline is gonna go up. And we're gonna do something cool. Lately he's been kind of coloring his hair blue or blonde. We'll do it blue in a minute. So let's do the neck. Straight coming down, line. He's got this thick, muscly neck. Comes down to point. Shoulders. Come down to the waist, skinny waist. Big muscly shoulders. Let's do the football right here. Over here we got a big football shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. See that 1 bump, 2 bump stops the football. Those are the muscles. 1 bump, 2 bump. Okay. Now his hand right here. Let's do muscle, muscle. And we'll do his hand, his glove. Thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Okay. Now let's do his pants. So 1, 2, ankles. And as you know, we do this cartoon style, so we do these big cleats. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces, the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Bring that big shoe down, straight across, and up to the ankle. Ankle down, straight across, and up. All right, looks like we got our outline on DK Metcalf. So let's draw these the number. Actually, I'm gonna get my blue, my Seahawks blue. I'm gonna get a point. And we will do a line that's going to be colored green. The Seahawks have kind of unique uniforms. And that's going to be colored green. Just follow along. Square, that'll stay green. That'll stay green. And then a shape that comes out from the shoulder area, and that'll be gray. Okay, now watch this. I'm gonna get my Seahawks, kind of this lime green look, right? It's really cool. And we're gonna draw the number 14. So here we go. Down, over, down, over, and up. There's the 1. Curve in, so we went down and we curved in. Straight down, over, over. We're gonna do this a little thick. We're gonna widen the green outline. Okay. Just to make it stand out a little bit more before we color it blue. Okay. And he's gonna have some green stripes down the side. And that should be good to go. So here we go. We're gonna do fast forward. Watch the color of hair we do. Maybe we'll do it right now. Let's do the light, maybe this light kind of blue aqua color. Here we go. Color it in. So yeah, DK Metcalf. I've seen him in photos with half purple, half green, kind of a white, kind of a blonde, aqua. So today we just chose to do this aqua color. and we will fast forward here once this is done. You guys follow along. Here's what we're gonna do. We'll do flesh color. Make sure that's in this scene here. Blue, dark blue jersey, dark blue pants, green cleats, brown football, and we should be done with DK Metcalf. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Please subscribe. Let us know who else you'd like to see, and we'd like to hear some requests. So fast forward now. Thanks, you guys.